Welcome to Backyard Basshead Garage. This is a 1973 F250 highboy converted to a tow truck with a hand crank on the rear of it. Yes, that is correct. That thing is hand crank pickup for a tow rig. Not to be used for that though. It's a Dana 60 rear, solid axle, regular cab, long box, Dana 44 front, solid axle as well. According to the previous owner, truck's apparently a movie truck. We don't believe that in the slightest. We think that's just somebody sold it to the guy for that reason. Otherwise, this thing does not turn over. We got my colleague here, the owner of the truck. His name is Damien. Say hello, Damien.
I already said hello.
You want to go turn the truck over by hand?
Now?
Just go show them what happens.
What do you mean turn it over?
Grab the fan, spin the fan. So we're pretty sure it's a 390 or maybe a 360. Truck's big enough that to stand in there, but this is what happens when you go to turn it. Absolutely nothing. She's stuck. So what we're going to do today is we have some parts here. We're going to pull all of the individual wires right down there, pull the plugs, pour a bit of ATF down each cylinder, 5/16 socket, and breaker bar. We're going to get this thing turning over. So please follow us on that wonderful journey and to get this thing started. You want to grab your tools? 73 390, old 73 Ford. She's a beaut. She's into work. We're working on her. Getting a parts list going. She doesn't need much, we hope. Right now the main problem is they doesn't spin over this one to the heater core and stuff like that. These hoses all look like they've been recently replaced in one way or another. Carburetor, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but she's seen better days. She's a little corroded. We tried to get her going earlier, moving, and broke the throttle cable. So battery terminal wires aren't in the worst condition either. It looks like they were also recently replaced. This is the power wire. It's a little corroded. Probably gonna replace though just to be sure. Put a new one right on the relay there. Got a parts list going here. You know, just basic stuff so far. Hopefully get this truck running in a couple months. You'll see it though. See this truck running. Yes, the brake master and the brake booster are on the list because right now the brakes sound like they are made of air. Right now what we're doing though, we're pulling off some of these old tow lights and some of the tow rig. We're gonna pull some of it off. Don't know if you guys know that, but pulled off one of the parts of it, old part of the tow rig. Getting it gone out of the way. I'm gonna tell you what the project plan is, but lift 38s, maybe 40s, and see what this thing's got. See what she's got underneath the hood. See how long she lasts. Joking by the way, but no, she's gonna be a mud truck. She's gonna be beat the hell. She ain't gonna be pretty. She'll be functional though. Yeah, we have planned to save some of this rust right here. She's a little holy. Pretty good though. Doors work. Floors ish there. Clutch. There's something in the clutch. Like it's for some pressure there, but brake pedal. Nothing. Throttle. Just broke that, like I said. She's stuck in third. Don't know why she's stuck in third, but she's stuck in third. 4-wheel drive works though, but we got 4 bottle jacks. And a rat turd infested truck. And some old bars. See what we make of this thing on this channel. I'll start pulling plugs.
Do you want to mark them first, or what would be the best bet?
Plugs we can just leave because they are like, you know, lined up 1, 2, 3, 4 on the cylinder covers right here.
It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Or well, no, I meant like just leave these one right here. Because once you remove them, we'll just go like this. For now, we'll just do that.
Okay.
And just leave them hanging there. I wish I had a stool.
We could always get that little.
You want to go get some stools?
You don't have any.
Because you have a front bumper to stand on. I don't. And I'm short. 5'8" and big trucks.
What about a rim that's in the back of the truck?
That works. Give me a rim.
Get a rim.
Go get. I need a rim. there's rust in those cylinders. Is that on the camera?
Yes.
There's rust in those cylinders. That's what I was worried about. That's rusty. Okay, funnel, ATF. So we switched to my phone because the camera died. We got Damien over here underneath the Ford with a breaker bar on the motor. Trying to turn this thing over. Wait, we're in gear.
Yeah, we are.
We're in gear. I just remembered that. We're in gear. Oh yeah, I forgot we don't have a seat. We took that out. Hello. Neutral.
Okay.
So we're in neutral. Pull. Nothing.
That is extremely tight.
That is nothing. That is not even moving. Okay, option 2. Grab the battery, grab your jumper cables. We'll go right to the starter.
Okay.
Alrighty, so we tried for about 5-10 minutes. Couldn't get the thing to really push over. So ground, chassis, this starter terminal, and this wire goes right down to the starter. This here is the Toyota. This is 87 pickup. Nothing. Okay, option 2. No fire. That's power. This is ground. Okay, we'll hook up ground first.
Nothing.
Yeah, I don't even see anything.
I think it's shortened. Do we need a new one of those? That is.
Oh, just right there. Ready?
Go.
That's melting to this. That's throwing a lot of current. Ready?
Try it again.
No.
Next, I did it. I saw it move just ever so slightly.
You ready?
Yeah, it's moving.
It is too, just a little bit. I burned up these things though.
They're cheap. What do you expect? Water pump's moving or if the crank's moving?
Option 2. Take the water pump off. That could be seized. If that's seized, nothing's going to move. Let's take the carburetor. Let's take the water pump off. So, as you guys can see, the carburetor's off. Oh, we look down there. She's a lot of rusty. We took the belt off. Water pump spins. Alternator spins. So we resorted to option 9. Yeah, pull the head. So we're gonna start pulling off this valve cover here. Check underneath the valve cover, see how it is. And if it's in good condition, we're gonna keep pulling the heads. If it's in bad condition, we're probably just gonna go try to find a new 360, 390 and just swap the thing in, because it'll probably be faster. Alrighty, wish us luck. We'll update you soon.
Okay, so today it's just me. We are gonna be taking off the manifold to see if it'll fit on the new engine and see how bad it is. Okay, so a little update. Pulled off the intake manifold. See if we can use it on another 390. But turns out this is it. It's extremely rusted, as you can probably, I don't know if you can see there or not, but it's rusty as all hell. So we're probably going to be getting the 360 more than likely, and we're going to probably pop it in this. Hopefully everything works out fine, which it probably won't, knowing my luck. So I'll update you guys once we get the new engine in here.
So unfortunately, camera died, footage was lost. First video to YouTube, we do apologize. So long story short, we pulled the intake on it. We didn't end up putting the head, we just pulled the intake. The inside of the intake felt like sandpaper, like 30 grit sandpaper, so we're just pulling the entire motor. We already have a new one lined up, a 360 with a brand new 4-speed trans and a front drive shaft for the truck, because it did not come with that. We're going to pick that up on Tuesday. So the next video you guys will see will be us pulling out the old 360-390 and starting to dissect it a little bit, seeing what we have comparatively to what's actually there and seeing what's actually wrong with the motor inside. So stay tuned for that. See you guys next video.